Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we've got a common Ring Chime issue that many users have been facing, the dreaded flashing blue light. If your Ring Chime is acting up and you're not sure what's going on, stick around because we're going to walk you through the steps to fix it. So, you've noticed your Ring Chime flashing blue, and you're wondering why. Typically, a flashing blue light on the Ring Chime indicates that it's having trouble connecting to your Wi-Fi network. But don't worry, we're here to help you get it sorted out. Step 1. Check Wi-Fi connection. The first thing you want to do is check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi network is up and running. If other devices in your home are connected to the internet without any issues, it's likely not a problem with your Wi-Fi. Step 2. Reboot Ring Chime. If your Wi-Fi is fine, the next step is to try rebooting your Ring Chime. Unplug it from the power source, wait for about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. This simple step can often resolve connectivity issues. Step 3. Check for interference. Sometimes, other electronic devices or even walls can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. Make sure your Ring Chime is placed in an area with a strong Wi-Fi signal and minimal interference. Step 4. Update firmware. Check if there's a firmware update available for your Ring Chime. Open the Ring app on your smartphone, go to the device settings, and look for any available updates. Keeping your device up to date can often solve compatibility issues. Step 5. Factory reset. If none of the above steps work, you might need to consider a factory reset. Keep in mind that this will erase all settings, so be prepared to set up your Ring Chime again. Refer to the Ring Chime user manual for instructions on how to perform a factory reset. Conclusion. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to fix the Ring Chime flashing blue light issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with anyone who might be experiencing the same problem. If you have any other tech-related questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.